We'll be updating you on what to do to keep safe in just a moment. But let's start here. Eligible South Africans can get a third COVID-19 booster shot from today.
Yeah, the Health Department has approved the Johnson & Johnson vaccine as this booster shot. It says single-dose J&J boosters should be administered at least 2 months after the first vaccination.
Indeed, Pfizer booster shots can only be given 6 months after the first shot, though, and those boosters will be available from the 28th of December. Now, with that being said, let's look at those COVID-19 numbers. Over 21,000 new cases were reported just yesterday.
KZN still leading this fourth wave at the moment. A quarter of all new cases in that province. Gauteng and the Western Cape, they're following not too far behind. 4,200 for Gauteng, 4,597 for the Western Cape.
Indeed, the Northern Cape recorded the lowest number at just over 400, and over 400 people have been admitted to hospital so far.
Sadly, 75 more people have lost their fight against the COVID-19 virus and have passed away. It now takes the total death toll to 90,662. But as always, we take a look at the number of tests conducted, and once again, a big jump in tests, over 72,000 of those conducted in this latest report.
We'll head into the Western Cape now. The health department in that province is encouraging its citizens to vaccinate, and the province is recording a high number of new COVID-19 infections as well as hospitalizations.
We just saw those numbers now, over 4,500 new cases recorded in the Western province in the last day or so. The department says most of those that are in hospital are unvaccinated.
By most accounts, most of the people that are being admitted is firstly the following. It happens to be in a slightly younger age group. So we have a heat map that we check our vaccinations, our hospitalizations per week. And the younger age groups, it's about 35 to about 45. That's the age group where we see the most admissions. That happens to be the age group where our vaccine coverage is the lowest. And so we are also seeing of the people admitted in hospital, the majority of them are unvaccinated. We are using our data to verify that specifically, and of next week, we will be doing that regularly to update people exactly what the vaccination status is of people that's hospitalized in our system.